Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, November 15th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather is a high of 69, a low of 42, AM showers, and a 50% chance of rain. Today's breakfast is French toast sticks, sausage, juice, and fruit. Today's lunch is baked potato soup, mozzarella cheese sticks, broccoli, fruit, and juice. We don't have any announcements. Important dates. November 15th is the class spelling bees. November 16th is PACE field trip. November 17th, tutoring ends. November 18th, Feel Good Friday and Kona Ice. November 21st through 25th, Thanksgiving break, no school. November 28th, faculty meeting. December 6th, school spelling bee. December 13th, winter wonderland. December 15th, class Christmas parties. December 16th, last day of second quarter, and December 19th, January 2nd, is Christmas break. Congratulations to our iReady Stars of the Week. Kindergarten through first grade is Miss Shaver. Second grade through third grade is Miss Hatcher. Fourth grade through fifth grade is Miss Arch. The kindergarten through first grade student is Saria Bradley. The second through third student, Jay Sneed with 8 lessons passed. Fourth and fifth grade student, Lauren Barrett with 9 lessons passed. Birthdays. On Monday, we had Riley Shears, Braden Toledo, Jeremiah Grayson, Alan Whitney. On the 15th, we had Justice Douglas, Isaiah Franklin, Amelia Eaton, Delia Strait, Jackson Allard. Sorry if I pronounced any name wrong. Question of the day. We are still doing question of the day, and you can submit one in the library. London wondered, how did Earth and planets form, and what happened? What happened during Earth's dark age, or the first 500 million years after it formed? Mahogany researched, when the solar system settled into its current layout about 4.5 billion years ago, Earth formed when gravity pulled swirling gas and dust into the third planet from the Sun. Like its fellow terrestrial planets, Earth has a central core, a rocky mantle, and a solid crust. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Tuesday.